Yo, what is going on, guys? Just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to get credits in Jurassic Genesis. This is the fastest method, guys. You can get 1 million credits using a Jurassic Genesis Roblox code, and I'm going to run through these steps showing you exactly how to get these credits fast and for free. Now, before I show you this method, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway. Simply hit that like button and subscribe, and that is going to enter you into the Robux giveaway. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you how to get credits in Jurassic Genesis Roblox fast and for free. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone internet browser. What you got to do is just head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So use your mobile phone for this, and then you can redeem your code on wherever you choose to play Jurassic Genesis. I'm just going to use the search bar at the top where it says search here and type in Jurassic Genesis Roblox. This is the codes page. There's a couple of verified working codes on here. So go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for this code, guys. Get 1 million free credits in Jurassic Genesis Roblox. This is a limited working code, guys, so you can literally follow the steps that I'm showing you, grab your code and redeem it in game to get 1 million credits for free. Super easy. So it's found you a code, and because these are limited, there's 835 remaining. You do need to unlock your personal code, guys. This is basically to stop people taking all of the codes. So it's pretty understandable, but basically you've got to click on this button, and it takes about 5 minutes to go ahead and unlock your code. You've got to complete 2 of the free offers below and follow the instructions. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks. I've only got 2 here, but that's just enough. You only need to complete 2, but you may see slightly more than me. So you just choose 2 of them, follow the text below each one that tells you how to unlock each one. These are basically like mobile apps. And yeah, you just follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and then it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Jurassic Genesis free credits code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here. Like I said, you redeem it in wherever you choose to play the game, and that is how to get credits fast and for free in Jurassic Genesis. 1 million credits. So go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help or need any assistance, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.